Hi, this is Sean from Hertels Coins, and we recently got back some PCGS coins for us to take a look at, so stay tuned. So we recently finally got some PCGS coins back from grading. It took a while. I think this one took 4 months to get back from grading, so let's check them out and hopefully get some good grades waiting that long. Alright, first up, we got a 1939 Walking Liberty half dollar. As you can see, it's got a mirror finish because it is a proof coin. So originally I had a bunch of proof sets, so I thought I'd take them all out, the proof sets that I had, early proof sets, and get them all graded and see what type of grades that we got. So this is, like I said, this is a 1939. And this one came back proof 66. So a pretty good grade for an early proof Walking Liberty half dollar. Next up, we have a 1938 proof. A little bit of haze on it, as you can see, or hairlines on it. So this is not going to be as high as a grade as a proof 66, but still overall a nice coin. And this one graded proof 61. Next up, we have the last of the half dollars that are proof. This is a 1937 proof Walking Liberty half dollar. And this one graded proof 64. So a decent grade for this one. So I'm happy overall. 61, you know, had a lot of hairlines in it, but the 39 graded out pretty decently at a 66. Next up, we have one of the key date Wheat Cents. But unfortunately on this one, as you can see, when somebody had it before, they mishandled it and it looks like staple scratches. So to me, it looks like somebody mishandled it, taken in and out of a holder, and they scratched the coin. Not done by me, but it was an earlier, probably the person that sold me the coin. So originally this was a raw coin. I mean, and it's unfortunate because it's a very beautiful original colored 09 S VDB, but unfortunately it's got the scratches on it. But still decent for somebody's, you know, dance school album. And this one was an XF detail. And this is the 1901 Barber Quarter, and this is, as you can see, the 01S. So this is the king of the Barber Quarters. This is the first one I personally ever owned. I bought this coin raw out of a set that came over the counter about 5-6 months ago. Nice original coin. I'm very excited about this. Like I said, I've never owned an 01S quarter, and you rarely see them. Everybody's talking about the 13S quarter. I've had a few of them. Probably half dozen of them, but I've never had an 01S quarter. They are actually super, super rare, and you don't ever see them. So very nice coin. Very excited about this one. And this one graded as an AG3. So it also had a straight grade on it. Very nice. Next up, we have an 1879 CC Morgan silver dollar. And as you can see, the color's a little bit off on this one, so I wasn't sure if it was going to come back details. I had a funny feeling it would. But overall, a lot of detail left on the coin. It's just the colors off in the front. And they did grade this that it was clean previously. But still a nice semi-key date Morgan dollar. Next up, we have 1881 Morgan dollar. And as you can see, this is a CC. Very nice original colored coin. Nice luster. And they graded this one MS62. Another semi-key date. This is an 1885S. Very nice cartwheel luster. Beautiful coin. And unfortunately, they grade us AU58. But still a very, very nice coin. Still collectible in this grade. Next up, we have another Carson City. This is the 1878 CC. As you can see, nice white coin. And they graded this one MS62. Next we have one of the harder to find dates. This is an 1889 cc Morgan dollar. The reverse is nice as original color. The front is slightly off. You can see slight hairlines. I was pretty sure this was going to straight grade, but unfortunately they put VG detail, and I think it's because the front has got slight hairlines to it. The back is bone, and the back is definitely original. I think they were too harsh in this one, because I've seen other Carson Cities that are just totally trashed and they straight grade them and a regular graded holder. And this one is actually pretty presentable. Well, unfortunately, graded as a VG detail. Last up, seated dollar. This is the 1843 seated Liberty dollar. A lot of detail left in this one. It's a pretty coin. But as you can see on the older stuff, if it's dark and it's got a little gloss to it, as you can see there, usually that's from an old cleaning. So anytime you got some old that's a dark tone coin, it helps a little bit to flicker it in the light. If it's got a little bit of gloss to it, it's kind of hard to see in the camera. Usually it's from a very old cleaning. And this one, of course, they put XF detail, and it is because it's from an old cleaning. But still, overall, very nice coin. A lot of detail. Anybody that gets this still is going to be very happy with it. Alright, that's all I have for today. A little bit of PCGS group. We finally got back from the grading company, but this one is, I'm very excited about this one. You just don't see them anywhere. But thank you for joining this video. Always like and subscribe, and I hope I see you on the future one. Thank you.